Today you're going to learn this song stripped back, unplugged on acoustic guitar. We're no strangers to love. You know the rules and so do I. I just wanna tell you how I feel. Gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. We've known each other for so long. Hey there Campfire Guitar Heroes, it's Dean again, bringing you those forgotten songs we all love to remember. Welcome to another episode of my quirky cool English song series, where last week I brought you That Great Party Tune, and next week I'm getting all dark and moody with an Amy Winehouse classic. But today you're going to learn this ripping song by Rick Astley. Now let's get straight into it, but do stick around because I'm going to reveal a few interesting facts about Rick Astley and this song. Okay, the root chord of the song is an F, but I use an F major 7. The chord patterns are on the screen there. I reckon the F major 7 just sounds better and it's a heck of a lot easier to play than the full bar chord F. It's got a G, do the open G. It's got an E minor and an A minor. Pretty simple chords if you use the F major 7. Now I'm playing this with my capo on fret 3, doesn't matter where you put it, just put it where it suits your voice. And remember, I'm a left-handed guitarist playing a right-hand strung guitar, so my finger patterns will appear upside down to a lot of you. Don't let that worry you, the chord patterns will be on the screen there. Right, let's get into it. Okay, the verse is real easy, it's F major 7 and the G, just alternating. I'll just demo it for you now. We're no strangers to love. You know the rules and so do I. A full commitment's what I'm thinking of. You wouldn't get this from any other guy. Hey folks, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm just going to pause the video right now. Go do the thumbs up. Right, we're back. Then we go straight into what I call the pre-chorus. And again, that's F and G, and this is where I change it up a bit. I use the full F and the full G bar chord, and I emphasize the bass strings just to give the song a bit more, I suppose, a few more layers, a bit more depth. So I'll do that for you now, demo. I just want to tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand. Straight to the chorus. Starts with the F major 7. There's a few quick chord changes here. The timing is everything through the chorus. I'll demo it for you. I'll play it probably half speed. Let's go. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. We're gonna F major 7 G. G, A minor, F major 7, G, E minor, A minor. And then he finishes the chorus with a ooh, give you up, and that's just F major 7, G. Ooh, give you up. Never gonna give you up. And that's the song there. That's pretty much the whole building blocks of the song, because there's no bridge in this. It's a chorus, pre-chorus, a verse, pre-chorus, and chorus. Hey folks, don't forget to play along and learn this. Use the song sheet. Download the song sheet from a Patreon page. The details below. It's got all the chords, got all the lyrics. It's what you need to learn this song and to build up your songbook, just like I'm doing with mine. And while you're there, if you like the work that I do on YouTube and you want to support my work, then Patreon enables you to do that. For the cost of as little as a coffee a month, you can support what I do. Hey, but look, any support you guys give me is truly, truly appreciated. Now let's get back to the lesson. Today's song has somehow become an absolute 1980s anthem song. Never Gonna Give You Up was a breakout hit by Rick Astley in 1987. Now look, he did release a number of other hits, but this is considered his signature song. And it has since gone viral with that internet sensation called rickrolling. What is rickrolling? Well, it's when you get sent a link or a QR code, you click on it, you think it's just something, like a news update or anything, but it takes you straight to this song, Rick Astley, Never Gonna Give You Up. You've been rickrolled. So because of that, the song has just discovered a whole new audience in the last 10 years. Look, an interesting fact about Rick Astley, he actually started as a studio hand at the famous music producers studios Stock Aikman and Waterman, where he famously was just doing all the odd jobs, studio sound checks, and he was making tea for all the famous stars that came through there to actually record their songs. Anyway, they finally gave him a chance to record his own song. This was it. This was his breakout hit, and the rest is history. My personal favourite line in the long is, "A full commitment's what I'm looking for. You wouldn't get that from any other guy." Which does make me wonder about a couple of things. Either all guys are commitment phobes, or she's got such a reputation that no guy with any right mind would want to stay with her. Either way, it's a curious lyric and maybe I'm overthinking it. Realistically, the whole song, pretty lightweight lyrics, but man, it just comes together with a real feel-good beat, and that's why this song is such a hit. Right, the strumming to this song is pretty straightforward too. It's the same strum whether it's the verse or the chorus, but when you see my playthrough at the end, I start verse 1 with a real quiet, silky smooth arpeggio, finger picking, and that's on the F major 7, and I'm just arpeggioing the 4 skinny strings up and down. So you can see what I'm doing there. It's this 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the strumming, I'll give you the bass strumming first. It goes like this. It's a down, up, block, down, down, block. Down, up, block, down, down, block. Down, up, block, down, down, block. Down, up, block, down. Now finally, just personalising the song. This is sort of, remember there's no right way to play a song, it's just what feels good for you. And at Campfire Guitar Hero, we're not playing this to record in a studio, we're playing it to enjoy the song either with ourselves or with our friends. So let's do that now. These are some of the things I do to personalise the song. The first one was varying between the F and the F major 7. And I like the F major 7, it's got a real rich sound to it. Give you up. And you notice what I'm doing there too. I'm keeping the F major 7 finger pattern and I'm sliding it up to the 3rd fret, which I think would be maybe a G major 7. I'm not exactly sure. Let me know in the comments below if you do know what this chord is. But the F major 7 chord pattern on the 3rd fret is a substitute for the G. And then I also do a variant where I slide that up to the 8th fret. And I'll just demo that for you now. This is how I play the outro to the song in my song playthrough. Hammer-ons. Use strumming accents where you're hitting either the bass strings or the skinny strings just to give the song a bit of variability. So F major 7, skinny strings, that G major 7 skinny strings, F. Just remember folks, have a bit of fun, experiment with the song, experiment with the chords, the tempo, and where you emphasize your strumming. Just hey folks, YouTube's been hitting me with a few copyright strikes lately, so I have done a full song playthrough. It's in the card above, separate video. Go there, check it out. I'm sure you're going to love it. So that's Rick Astley, Never Gonna Give You Up. Don't forget to check out the other song lessons I did on sort of quirky English rock pop songs. There's a link in the card above, or go to the links at the end of this video. Now I'm a really small channel trying to build my tribe of Campfire guitar heroes on YouTube, so help me out get to my next subscriber milestone, which at the time of recording would be 500 subscribers. So please subscribe below, and I'll see you next week where I'm going to bring you that Amy Winehouse classic. And remember, at Campfire Guitar Hero, all you need is a few friends, a few chords, maybe a few drinks, and everyone's a rock star.